This meditation is designed to support your digestive health by fostering a sense of deep relaxation and gratitude. Your body is a remarkable system, working tirelessly to process and nourish you. Through gratitude and mindful awareness, you can bring balance and healing to your digestive system, allowing it to function with ease and harmony. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes gently and allow your body to settle. This is your time to nurture yourself, to bring awareness to the healing power within you. Bring your attention inward. Notice your body without judgment. Your digestive system has been working for you since the moment you were born. Processing nourishment and supporting your life. Take a moment to appreciate all that your body does for you, often without you even noticing. Now shift your focus to your abdomen, the center of your digestion. Simply be aware of any sensations here. There is no need to change anything. Just acknowledge this part of your body with kindness. Silently say to yourself, "My body is wise." My digestive system knows how to heal and function in balance. Sending kindness to your digestive system. Now imagine that you can communicate with your digestive system. Rather than seeing it as something separate from you, recognize it as a living, intelligent part of your being. If there has been discomfort, sluggishness, or imbalance, acknowledge it with compassion. Your digestive system is always doing its best to support you. Silently say to yourself, I send gratitude and kindness to my digestive system. I support its healing and balance. Feel a sense of harmony and appreciation as you embrace this part of yourself. Gratitude for nourishment and digestion. Think of the food you consume each day. Each meal, each bite is a gift. Fueling your body and sustaining your energy. Reflect on the journey your food takes before it reaches you. The sun, the soil, the farmers, the hands that prepared it. Every piece of nourishment you receive is the result of a larger, interconnected system. Silently say to yourself, I am grateful for the nourishment I receive. My body processes food with ease and balance. Let this gratitude sink in, allowing it to create a sense of peace and appreciation within you. Strengthening the mind-body connection, your thoughts and emotions directly influence your digestive health. When you are relaxed and at ease, digestion flows naturally. Reflect on times when stress or worry may have affected your digestion. Now imagine replacing those feelings with trust, ease, and gratitude. Silently say to yourself, I trust my body. I allow digestion to happen naturally and effortlessly. Feel any tension in your stomach or gut begin to soften. Replaced by a sense of calm and confidence in your body's abilities. embracing balance and healing. Now bring your attention back to your entire body. Imagine that every cell, every organ, every system is working in perfect harmony. Your digestive system is part of this harmony, working in tune with the rest of your body to bring nourishment, energy, and well-being. Silently say to yourself, I am in balance. My body and mind work together in harmony. Trust in this balance. Trust in your body's ability to heal, to function smoothly, and to support you with strength and vitality. Carrying gratitude into daily life. As this meditation comes to a close, take a moment to reflect on the gratitude you have cultivated. Gratitude for your body. Gratitude for nourishment. Gratitude for the effortless processes that sustain you each day. Silently say to yourself, I honor my body. I care for my digestive health with kindness and gratitude. As you gently return to the present moment, know that this gratitude and awareness will stay with you. You can return to this feeling anytime. Supporting your digestive health with appreciation, balance, and trust. When you feel ready, open your eyes, carrying this sense of well-being with you throughout your day.